Ako itlog. Pedro.
So this is my... Ang tawag dito?
Blueberry.
Truffle. Take 2. You see how I cut this truffle?
Sa akin nakita mo ako kanina.
There's something wrong about this space.
Promise
No,
mo.
I've seen you faces
Championship.
before, but I can't explain why I shine away from the talking I say and laugh and figure out all the words.
How are you?
Ikaw nagsabi doon. Sabi mo, nakikita mo sa sarili.
Hindi!
Like I'm waiting now.
Purgataw na kayo sa Waffle. 24 times 4. Pwede lang yun.
Moving pictures on a screen, making sense of all that we hear and see. An escape from reality.
Guys, nagkakataon na dito. Guys, dalawa!
While I'm cheating Mondays, I sing and laugh
Hahalangan si JC para hindi makaalis.
all the words that flow.
I'll go tour.
Smiling mouths I've never known true.
Sige, tara, alis na lang tayo.
I'm feeling now.
Patara dyan tayo.
Figure out
Wala yung ano, hindi dito.
Kaya mahal kita, sir.
Pwede nga sa my love you. Good. We just made another bucket list of... Yeah.
Taas.
Wings, what?
Bakit ang bilis natin maglakad?
So,
Diyan ako binigyan.
really?
Yes.
Wow! So this is the Barbaras. I think that's where Jose Rizal is. Really?
Wow. Parang mabuting estudyante ka naman. Boys, panggap lang yun. Ay, nice. Tapos double S. Diba? Kabiga-biga talaga. So, what should we use? Oh, yes. Double S and double L. Diyan kasi double L, napansin mo ba? Oo. Tapos isa lang naman. Pa-confirm na lang natin kay sir. Wag na! Hindi, kapag tapos na. Siya din ba to? Siya yan. Siya ba to? Siya yan, babe. Okay, siya yan. Siya yan. So, why are we walking fast? Yung alug na itong video.
Wait, we're gonna end the video now.
Okay, end it.
And 1, 2, 3.
And... Hindi ko pa na-end. Hala, ang cute ng silhouette. Silhouette. Picturean mo nga. Wala, walang flash.